Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix phone calls go straight to voicemails on your iPhone. When we do not receive somebody's call on our iPhone, it goes to the voicemail so that they can leave a message on the voicemail that we can read later. These days we are seeing many reports that say many iPhone users are not getting any phone calls notifications on their iPhones, and instead the calls are straight away going to the voicemail on their number. This is creating a huge issue with everybody they know because they are not able to communicate properly due to this problem. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for turn off the call forwarding feature. For this, open the settings page and go to the phone option. Tap on it. On the phone page you have to click on the call forwarding option. Now tap on the call forwarding options toggle switch to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is disable the do not disturb mode. For this, go to the control center screen on your iPhone. On the control center screen, tap on the focus option. Now make sure the do not disturb mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, please tap on it to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is turn off the silence unknown caller option. Click on the settings icon from the home screen. Then look for the phone option and select it by clicking on it. Now click on the silence unknown caller option. Once it opens, click on the silence unknown callers toggle switch to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is refresh the mobile network signals using airplane mode. First of all, you have to clear any mobile network signals irregularities on your iPhone by refreshing its signal. For refreshing the signal, you have to enable and then disable the airplane mode. Now to enable the airplane mode, open the settings page and then tap on airplane mode toggle switch to turn it on. Once it is enabled, it will disconnect your iPhone from all the network connections. After some time, you should disable the airplane mode by tapping on its toggle button, and you are done. And the next step is uninstall any call blocking apps. Many iPhone users tend to install spam calls blocking app on their iPhones because they want to get rid of these spam calls from several websites, insurance companies, etc. So there is a high chance that these third-party call blocking apps might be the reasons for causing this issue. So we recommend our viewers try deleting these call blocking apps and check whether this can fix this issue. And also you should update the iOS software. If the iOS software on the iPhone is not updated to the latest version, it can throw such problems. And also you should force restart your iPhone and ensure the iPhone is not in silent mode by checking its ring or silent switch on the side of the iPhone. I hope these solutions will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.